Iya. Nawawatch mo? Na?
Starting to feel better already. You were right. Eating a healthy breakfast really does do the trick. I think I am strong enough to lift that suitcase now. Thank you, Super Grover.
Play in my toy box, and everything will be as neat as
Time to play Journey to Ernie, where Ernie hides and neighbors seek.
Oh boy, Journey to Ernie. Oh, I wonder where Ernie's going to hide today.
You'll see. Ducky battle.
Sura-sura ka daw. Sura-sura. Dali. Game. Ay, 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 sus, ay, sus, ay, sus, ay, sus, ay, sus. Ay, sus, ay, sus, ay, sus, ay, sus, ay, sus. Ano kaya yun? Ulit, ulit, ulit. Isa pa. Dali. Game. Ay, sus, 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 ay, sus. Ay, sus, ito na naman niya. Piling mo. Tawag mo daw si mama. Mama, mama. Ikaw. Mama, mama. Papa, papa, papa. Mama, mama. Papa, papa.
Hi, I'm cleaning up around my nest. Yeah, I just have to put the stuff away in my toy box.
Ang gilig ka ba mo?
Everything will be as neat as Oh boy, Journey to Ernie. Oh, I wonder where Ernie's going to
Uy,
hide
tayo gana.
today.
Nakakakita ka lang ng camera. Gumaganyan ka, no?
Ducky battle.
Wow.
Oh, lapit ka dito.
Count to 10.
Dito.
And don't be
Dito.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Uy, galing. Uy, galing. Uy, galing.
I have a feeling we're not on Sesame Street anymore. In fact, I know.
Papakit ka muna daw. Pakit ka muna. Last na lang.
Oh,
Oy!
I wonder where Ernie could be hiding.
Tiyo, last na lang.
Sandy coming alive from the beach.
Tiyo.
To the beach, we know where it's
Uy.
at.
Oh,
Pasinin mo naman si mami.
Nobody
Uy.
can give you a
Busy
clue.
ka?
He's
Na?
hiding under something.
Busy ka?
hiding under something.
Busy? Ay, doon ang busy naman yun, oh.
Aha! There's somebody under that beach towel. I'll bet it's Ernie. Come out from under that towel, Ernie. We got you. Oh, you're not Ernie.
No, but don't be crabby about it.
Oh, where could that Ernie be?
Don't throw in the towel, because here's another clue. He's hiding under something and over something.
Under and over? How does he do that?
Very carefully. Now keep looking.
Okay. Ernie is under something and over something. Look! That hammock is hanging under the palm
Likot
tree
ta.
and over that beach ball. That's it! Ernie must be in the hammock. Found you, Ernie. Come on out. Oh no, it's a seal.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Come on, Ernie must be here somewhere.
Tiyo.
Excuse
Tiyo.
me.
Tiyo.
See Ernie? Which way
Tiyo.
to go?
Ay, tay Hoy!
Wookie wookie.
Hindi mo naman ako pinapansin. Babay na.
What did he
Bye.
under?
Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.